Welcome to solveNfix. Let's see how we can allow or deny any traffic into our web server. We can simply allow or deny traffic on our ports through UFW, which is uncomplicated firewall system. In start, let's check the status of your firewalls using the command sudo UFW status. In case your firewall is not active, you can use sudo UFW enable to enable up your firewall. After that, we can use allow or deny command to manage the traffic on our web server. For example, if we want to allow traffic at port number 80 through any IP address, we can safely use this command sudo UFW allow port number 80. So our rule will be added for all the IPv4 addresses and IPv6 addresses as well. Similarly, if we want to deny any traffic coming towards port number 1000, we can simply use sudo UFW deny port number 1000. A rule will be added for both IPv4 and IPv6. To see all the active rules, we can simply use sudo UFW status numbered. It will bring the list of all the active rules in our system along with the rule number in the very first column. So if we want to delete any rule, we can simply use that number in our command. Sudo UFW delete rule number 2 along with the confirmation yes, the rule will be deleted. So checking again the status of the rules. So now we can see that only we have 3 rules over here. Similarly, if we want to allow traffic to a specific port through any specific IP, we can use sudo UFW allow from, then we can write up our IP address 3.3.3 to any port number. So a rule will be added for IP address 3.3.3 so it can access port number 22. Now checking again the status of our rules. Here we can see that we have allowed traffic from IP address tetra3 into port number 22. Similarly, we can use the deny command with the specific IP address towards a specific port as well. But now if we want to disable firewall temporarily, then we can use the disable command, which is sudo UFW disable. So it will disable the firewall. All the rules will still be there but will not be applicable. Similarly, we can again enable our firewall using sudo UFW enable. And if we want to reset our firewall, then we can simply use sudo UFW reset. It will ask for a confirmation and all the rules will be reset. Now we can check the status of our firewall again, which says inactive. Thank you for watching this video. For detailed steps and more useful commands, please check the link in description. Till the next video, goodbye.